Hi everyone, it's Femi Olaniyan here and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide on how you can register an account on the Keble platform and also verify your account. Now, in case you don't know, the Keble platform is a platform where you can invest in real estate in Nigeria and outside Nigeria with as low as $10 or 5,000 naira. It allows you to invest in real estate with little amount of money. So with the Keble platform, you can also own a real estate even if you don't have too much money. Also, I have videos already on how to use the platform, how to invest on Keble, and also the important things you need to know before investing on the Keble platform. Links to these videos will be in the description of this video below, so you can check them out after watching this video. Now, before I show you guys the step-by-step guide on how to register and verify your Keble account, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan and I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, the stock market, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you. Now, as you can see on the screen, I'm on the Keble platform, and the first thing you need to do is to tap on sign up at the top right corner of the screen. Now, once you tap on sign up, it will bring you to the sign up page right here. And the first thing you need to do is to enter your first name. Now, once you enter your first name, you enter your last name right here. And right here, you enter the email address you want to use to create your Keble account. Now, the next thing is to enter your password and also confirm your password right here. And once you've done all of this, you scroll down and tap on sign up at the bottom side of the screen. Now, once you've entered all of those details, you come here to enter your verification code. So you can see on the screen, email verified. Your email has been verified. We at Keble are glad to have you. To customize your experience on Keble, we need to know more about you. Kindly proceed with the onboarding. So you tap on onboarding. And on the screen, the next thing you need to do is to pick your gender right here. So you select your gender, whether male or female. And also right here, you enter your phone number. So you enter the phone number you want to use for the Keble account. And right here, you enter your date of birth. You can also enter your address right here. And also they will ask you, where did you hear about Keble? So you can pick whether Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, email, family and friends, others. And also you pick your nationality, which is Nigeria. So only Nigerians can create an account on Keble. And then right here, you select the state where you are coming from. Now, once you've entered all of those details, you come right here to where you have this arrow and tap on it. Now, the next thing is to enter the details of your next of kin. Now, this is because maybe if you don't come on the app for a very long time and you have money there, they can easily contact your next of kin. So you enter the first name of your next of kin, his or her last name, you enter the person's email address, you pick whether the person is a male or female, you enter the person's phone number, you write the relationship you have with the person's address, nationality, and the person's state. Once you enter the details of the person, you can still come here and tap on the next arrow to go to the next step. Now you can see that on the right side of the screen, you can see that we are 60% complete with the registration process. And also you can see the next thing right here is you will be asked some questions. Are you a first-time investor? You pick maybe yes or no. So if it is your first time investing, you pick yes. If you have been investing before, you select no. The next thing is, do you reside in Nigeria? You pick yes or no. And also if you scroll down, they will ask you for your identification. So you select which of this identity you want to use. So if you have an international passport or NIN, you pick it right here. Next is select your bank. So you enter your bank details right here and you enter your bank account number right here. And this is so that if you want to withdraw your money, they can easily send your money to the bank details that you have put in right here. Now, once you've done that, you come to the home page of your Keble account. So this is a simple process on how to register and verify your Keble account. And if you want to get started with investing on the Keble platform, I have different videos on how to deposit and withdraw your money, how to invest on the platform, and the important things you need to know before you start investing on the platform. If you want to check out these videos, tap the links in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.